Hello and welcome back to Treasury Crafts. This is Anu, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a sculpture without clay. That is a no clay sculpture. So this DIY is going to be an accessory holder come a sculpture. So let's start. Take a paper, simply sketch a cat like this. I have given the measurements. Use this as a stencil to cut cardboards in perfect shape. Do subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for more videos. Use thermocol cutter or precision knife to cut the cardboard. Watch my video till end so that you will not miss any important steps. I'm going to use 5 pieces for the volume. It is not necessary that all 5 pieces should be in full shape. You can leave the tail part and cut the cardboard and use it as a fillers. But make sure at least 3 pieces in full complete shape to make the tail portion stronger. I'm going to paste incomplete cat shapes in between, and I'm going to stack all 5 cardboard pieces one above the other. If you have cardboard with more thickness as mine, you will need only 5 pieces, but you can also make use of cardboard with less thickness. But make sure you stack about 7 to 8 pieces for the thickness. Consider subscribing for more new creative concepts like this. For the base, I'm going to stack 3 cardboard pieces, that is the leftover pieces from the cat, to create a stronger base for the sculpture to stand properly. Do watch my video without skipping so that you will know all important steps. I'm going to cover it with paper. Take some glue, mix it in water. You can use any paper to cover. I tried to cover it with tissue paper, but it's absorbing more water and started peeling off. I somehow managed to cover the tail part. I would recommend you to use thick paper or any newspaper to cover the base. This step is to make the cardboard sculpture stronger and also to cover up the edges. You can also cover it with masking tape. I have covered the base with the tape. I'm going to cover it with texture paste. This is a homemade texture paste. I have mixed white cement and glue in equal proportion and added 5 to 6 drops of water for the required consistency. Instead of white cement, you can use plaster of Paris or talcum powder, or you can even use corn flour. Corn flour gives you more smoother paste. Since I have more unused white cement, so I am using it. First, I have covered up the edges and then filling the center part. Do comment in the comment box, share your thoughts, and that will help me to improve my videos. Cover at the back side too and allow it to dry. Now let's color this. You can give any color you wish. To get this shade of color, I have mixed dark blue, yellow and white. Apply a layer of varnish after coloring for shiny look, and it also acts as a color sealant. I have shown all steps as much as possible. This is basically an best out of waste idea. I have upcycled waste cardboard. So for the eye, I'm going to give black color. For the base, I'm painting it with black acrylic. All colors I use are acrylic colors from Fevicryl company. Since it is very plain, so I'm going to cover it with some small designs with pearl white color and pearl violet color. These are pearl colors. It will have shiny look. Repeat at the back side too. Hope it looks like a cat sculpture, and our accessory holder is ready. You can use it as a bangle or bracelet holder, or stack hairbands into it, or you can even use it as a wristwatch holder, or simply as a home decor. If you like this video, please hit like button, share it with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Bye bye.